how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. Now, voice isolation on iPhone is a feature that uses Apple's advanced audio processing to remove the background noise during calls or recordings. It focuses on your voice and filters out background sounds like wind noise, traffic, people talking around you, the fan or AC noise, or keyboard clicking. Now, in order for you to use voice isolation, you need to be either on a call or when you are recording audio. Okay, so currently I'm on a voice call. And to turn on voice isolation, you want to swipe down at the top, like this. And at the top here, tap on this orange controller. And then you want to select voice isolation. Now, by default, it is set to standard, so you can choose voice isolation. So tap on that, tap on voice isolation, and then after you can go back to your call. Once you have selected voice isolation, your voice on the call should be much more clearer, as the iPhone will separate the background noise. It will try to remove the background noise and allow your voice to be more clearer when you are speaking on the phone conversation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.